Let me tell you, the world of finance is a wild ride. It's a place where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of private equity. This is where the big players come to play, making moves that can change entire industries. We're talking big money, big deals, and the potential for even bigger returns. It's a high-stakes game where the rewards can be astronomical. Private equity has become a major force in the global economy. These firms are not just investing, they're transforming businesses and driving innovation. These financial titans are behind some of the biggest buyouts, turnarounds, and success stories in the business world. They take struggling companies and turn them into profitable powerhouses. From your favorite coffee chain to the latest tech startup, private equity is everywhere. They have a hand in many of the brands and services you use every day. But what exactly is private equity? How does it work? It's more than just buying and selling companies. And why should you care? Understanding private equity can give you insights into how businesses grow and succeed. Buckle up, because we're about to break it all down into plain English. We'll explore the strategies, the risks, and the rewards. Get ready to learn the ins and outs of private equity and discover how it's shaping the future of finance. Whether you're an investor, a business owner, or just curious, this journey will be eye-opening. The video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial advice. Do your own research and do not invest more than what you can afford to lose. Let's cut to the chase. Private equity is all about investing in companies that are not publicly traded on the stock market. Think of it as the exclusive club of the investment world. Private equity firms pool money from wealthy individuals and institutions. They use this capital to buy, improve, and eventually sell companies for a profit. These firms don't shy away from taking risks. They're often drawn to companies that are undervalued, underperforming, or ripe for a major shake-up. Now, let's meet the key players in the private equity game. These are the individuals and entities that drive the entire process, making crucial decisions and steering the ship towards profitability. You've got your investment managers, the masterminds who call the shots and make the investment decisions. They meticulously analyze financial data, assess risks, and identify opportunities that others might overlook. They're like the quarterbacks of the private equity world, always thinking several moves ahead, strategizing to outmaneuver the competition. Then there are the general partners, the firms themselves, who manage the funds and take a cut of the profits. These firms are the backbone of the private equity industry, providing the structure and resources needed to execute complex deals. They're the coaches, calling the plays and guiding the team to victory. They ensure that every move is calculated and every decision is backed by thorough research and analysis. And of course, you can't forget the limited partners, the investors who provide the capital. These are often institutional investors, pension funds, or wealthy individuals looking to grow their wealth. They're the team owners putting up the money and hoping for a championship season. Their investment is crucial as it provides the necessary funds to acquire and grow companies. Private equity is all about equity ownership. This means having a significant stake in the companies they invest in, which allows them to influence key decisions and drive growth. That means these firms take a significant ownership stake in the companies they invest in. This ownership gives them the power to implement changes, improve operations, and ultimately increase the value of the company. They're not just passive investors, they roll up their sleeves and get involved in the business. From restructuring management teams to optimizing supply chains, they work hands-on to ensure the success of their investments. Private equity firms have a whole playbook of strategies they use to make money. One of the most common is the leveraged buyout. Imagine this. A private equity firm spots a company with potential but needs a boost. They swoop in using borrowed money, that's the leverage part, to buy a controlling stake in the company. They then work their magic, improving operations, streamlining processes, and boosting profitability. Once the company is in tip-top shape, they sell it for a hefty profit. It's like flipping a house, but on a much grander scale. Leveraged buyouts, the art of the deal. Leveraged buyouts, or LBOs, are a fascinating aspect of the financial world. Let's dive deeper into the world of LBOs and understand their intricacies. These deals can be quite complex, but the basic principle is simple. Use debt to buy a company, improve it and sell it for a profit. It's a strategic play that requires careful planning and execution. Think of it like this. You want to buy a house, but you don't have all the cash up front. This is where leveraging comes into play. You take out a mortgage using the house itself as collateral. This allows you to make the purchase without needing the full amount of money right away. You then renovate the house, making it more valuable. These improvements increase the house's market value. Finally, you sell the house for a higher price, paying off your mortgage and pocketing the profit. The key is to enhance the asset's value. LBOs work in a similar way. They are a powerful tool in the arsenal of private equity firms. Private equity firms use debt to finance the acquisition, improve the company's operations, and then sell it for a higher price, paying off the debt and reaping the rewards. This process involves meticulous analysis and strategic improvements to ensure profitability. When executed correctly, LBOs can lead to significant financial gains, making them a popular strategy in the business world. Beyond buyouts, exploring growth equity and venture capital. But wait, there's more. Private equity isn't just about buyouts. They also play a big role in growth equity and venture capital. Growth equity is all about investing in companies that are already on a roll. These companies are growing rapidly and need capital to fuel their expansion. Private equity firms provide the funding they need to take their business to the next level. Venture capital, on the other hand, is all about backing startups with disruptive ideas. These are high-risk, high-reward investments. Venture capitalists are willing to bet on the next big thing, even if it means a few strikeouts along the way. Private Equity 2.0, the transformative power of AI, blockchain, and cryptocurrencies. Now let's talk about the future of private equity. The financial world is changing faster than ever, and private equity is no exception. Artificial intelligence, blockchain, and cryptocurrencies are transforming the way private equity firms operate. AI is being used to analyze massive amounts of data, identify promising investments, and streamline due diligence processes. Blockchain is revolutionizing how deals are structured and executed, bringing greater transparency and efficiency to the industry. And cryptocurrencies are opening up new avenues for fundraising and investment. The future of finance. Why understanding private equity matters. So there you have it, folks. The world of private equity is complex and constantly evolving. But one thing is clear, it's a major force in the global economy. Understanding private equity is essential for anyone interested in finance, investing, or the future of business. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, keep an eye on this dynamic industry. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay ahead of the curve, and who knows, maybe you'll be the next private equity titan. Special thanks to Wikipedia for providing a structure of knowledge. Thank you for watching our channel. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our next video.